Hey guys, welcome back. Most Android users have no idea that dozens of apps and websites may still be connected to their Google account. Every time you tap Continue with Google, you give that app permission to access certain information from your account. The problem is, most people never check those permissions again. An app you installed months or even years ago could still be connected to your Google account today. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly where to find these connected apps, how to check what they can access, and how to remove the ones you no longer use. Let's get started. Open the main settings of your phone. Scroll down and tap Google. Now tap All Services. Scroll down until you find Connected Apps. Open it. Here, you will see every app and service that is currently connected to your Google account. Take a moment to review every app in this list carefully. Some of these apps are completely normal because you signed in with your Google account. However, if you no longer use an app, there is usually no reason to keep it connected. We often install an app, sign in with Google, use it for a few days, and then forget it even exists. Months or even years later, it may still remain connected to your account. Go through the list one by one and ask yourself three simple questions. Do I still use this app? Do I recognize it? Do I still trust it? If the answer is no, then tap the app. Here, you will see what access it has and manage its connection. If you don't want to connect it anymore, simply tap Delete All Connections or Remove Access. Then tap Confirm. It only takes a few seconds, and it's one of the easiest ways to keep your Google account clean. I strongly recommend checking this page every few months, especially if you regularly sign in to new apps with your Google account. Keeping only the apps you actually use gives you better control over which apps can access information from your Google account. Go check your own Google account right now because you might find apps you completely forgot were still connected. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Subscribe for more privacy and security tips. Thanks for watching.